Here's the ice fishing edition, Baxter State Park. Gonna try and ice fish one of the few ponds you can. I got 20 smelts in there, so a little heavy, a little tricky packing, but got it done. Real pretty walk in there, able stream trail, nice peekaboo views. I guess I didn't realize on the tote road also what great views there are. I guess it's always been cloudy when I've walked it. The mountain is right there. Here's Togue Bunkhouse. It's one of my favorites. I like that there's mattresses. I like the stove. I like the window in the stove. The firebox is really small though, so it fills up with ash quickly. But definitely a fan fave. So here's the gear. Yeah, kind of a pain ice fishing. It's a lot of gear. These are Lehman traps. I grew up in Palermo, which is between Belfast and Augusta on Sheepskip Pond. Everyone ran Lehman traps. They were first built by Archie Lehman. Then everyone copied his traps. My wife Brenda made these traps. I like them. I prefer them. I like seeing the reel. When it's cold, definitely a pain in the ass because you have to skim a lot. The next morning, 9 below, a little chilly. I definitely waited a little bit to get going. Real pretty sunrise. So you'll see here that some guys just stood by the door and peed out, obviously because it was cold, but I mean, take 2 more steps so no one has to walk through your piss. Toothy bastard. Okay. Pickerel. Ugh. Slimy, toothy. Not fun. She's spinning. It's big, whatever it is. Big. Big creature. Okay, well, that guy wins. pickerel, whatever it is. So the pickerel hammered my smelts. I ran out, which was fine. I talked to some guys, and basically it's pickerel in there, maybe some splake. Um, so I decided to go for a walk, and I went and did a loop, went up the tote road, and then around Rum Pond and back down tote road. So it ended up being 5 miles, real nice trail, and then it got very Baxter-esque through here, a little rocky, but it was fine. I was really hoping to see some deer or moose. There seemed to be a lot of deer tracks in through there, but didn't see anything. Woke up the next morning and looked out the window and saw the pink of the sunrise on the mountain. Didn't realize you could see the mountain from the bunkhouse, and I thought, well, I got to go look at it at the pond here. And look at this beautiful view of the sun coming up. There's the sun. Warm us all up. Oh, 9 below. Okay. This is a popular spot for snowmobilers to stop and look at the mountain. Nice state of climate.